Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Shein. So let's begin the video. So firstly, open up Shein application and log into your account if you haven't. So once I've logged in, so now what you're going to do if you want to pay with PayPal, so first make an order. So place an order, for example, select something. All right, just select the product. Let me select something to make an order. So for example, okay, that's fine. I'll just choose this. So I'm going to add this to my cart because I'm going to buy this. I want to make an order. All right, so once you have added to your cart, go to your cart. Okay, so now, okay, this is now in my cart. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go go to your checkout. So click on the checkout option here. So once you get to the checkout option here, first thing will be your address. If you have not provided your address, you should provide your address. My address is already there because I've already provided it. And then next is your shipping method. You can just choose that, and then here, this is where you choose your PayPal. So when you get to the payment method here, make sure you select the pay with PayPal option. All right, so make sure you select with pay with PayPal option, and then hit on the PayPal button here. So once you hit on the PayPal button here, you just need to provide your PayPal credentials, your details, log into your PayPal, and then complete the payment. So in that way you can make the payment with your PayPal. So that's how it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.